What's up everyone, Matt Agilon here with RestoreMyFence.com. We're out here in the beautiful Bay Area, California. Today's project, we're working out in Lafayette. We're gonna be refinishing this beautiful bamboo Mozo decking. This deck is very rare, not everybody has this type of decking, but we got the privilege to come out here to refinish it. We're gonna clean it, sand it, stain it, and go through the whole process with you guys. Let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see right here, I got the crew pressure washing down the deck and applying a wood brightener. Now normally to maintain these decks, you wouldn't want to pressure wash unless you're going to sand after. However, since we are doing a full process and we wanted to help speed things up, I got the guys jumping on the pressure washer just to ensure that the job gets done faster. Now, if you do want to maintain this deck, normally you could just apply a wood brightener, let it sit on the deck for at least 10 minutes, and then come back and then scrub it down with a soft bristle brush like so. And then after that has been done, you could grab the hose water and just spray it down and make sure that you thoroughly rinse it pretty good. Now this will definitely help you get a good color change. However, if you want to get that wow factor every time, then sanding will definitely be key. Let's move on to the next process. Today we're doing the sanding process. We're sanding the entire deck down just to ensure that the oil is going to penetrate into the wood properly. We're going to get the wood really smooth so there's no splinters. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so when it comes down to the sanding process, we take this very seriously. We like to use top of the line Festool Cleantech equipment. Now this is a sander hookup to a vacuum. It gets 90% of the sawdust. We like to ensure that our clients are not going to have sawdust all over their yard. As of right now, we're using a RTS 400 right here. It oscillates. We like to go width to grain to ensure a nice professional look. Now normally we do use orbital sanders on soft woods. However, you would not want to use an orbital sander on this hardwood because you would see swirl marks. But if you just take a look at this, it gives it a nice finished look, and once that oil hits it, it will enhance it very nicely. Let's move on to the final process, staining. So for this bamboo decking, we're using a penetrating oil-based product. Now we're using the Messmer's UV Plus, the hardwood version. You wouldn't want to just use any oil-based product. You got to make sure that it is meant for hardwoods. Now the benefit of the oil-based product, since it does soak into the wood, it's going to preserve the wood from soaking in any moisture whatsoever. You won't have to worry about any peeling or flaking, and you could just simply clean it and then reapply it later on. So for the application of the stain, we like to use these 5-inch block deck brushes to ensure that we get into the cracks well. They absorb a lot of the stain, so it really makes it easy to work it into the grain and just make sure that we're getting on a good coat. Now, whatever excess oil does not penetrate into the wood, we will come back with rags and wipe down all the excess oil just to ensure it doesn't get sticky or tacky. This is very crucial and very important to make sure that you wipe down the excess stain. Alright, so that's a wrap for the final process. Let's go ahead and take a look at the final results. So that's a wrap for the bamboo decking job. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you guys on the next project.